This is my YouTube video. Yeah!
Hi guys, it's your girl.
Hi Millie.
I'm coming at you with a video on how to do leopard print hair. I did this before not too long ago, but it came out because I cut my skullet too short.
Bitch.
Like the first few washes, it like came out or whatever. So I let my hair grow out a little bit more. So I'm gonna try again today. And I'm gonna insert a photo of how I did it last time versus now. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same though. No cocky shit. But yeah, the things you're gonna need for this is a comb, rubber band, of course. 2 colors of your choice. I'm using orange and black by Adore. The color is jet black and the orange is sunrise orange. And you're gonna need 2 brushes. I use makeup brushes because I don't have regular brushes. So these work really well. And I'm pretty sure like almost every girl has makeup brushes. Not every girl, but majority. And you're gonna need gloves because you don't want your hands to be orange or black. I think that's like kind of ugly, having stained hands after a dye job. But basically, yeah, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and you're gonna just watch me do my thing. But comment down below what colors you would use and whether or not you would do this style or not. I want to know from the people who's watching because trying to connect.
I'm trying to connect.
So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe because I want you to be a part of my community, of course.
Duh.
And yeah, just watch me do my thing.
Baddie. It's so cute. So basically you just put dots and put black around the dots. Yes. And also make sure the dots are not perfect. You want that leopard print, not polka dot print. please let this dry for 1 hour. And if it's not dry within 1 hour, keep it in until it's dry. Do not wash it out 20-30 minutes later. No. Hi guys, this is the finished results. I hope you love it. I love it. I added more print, so it took a little bit longer, but if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and like if you want. I'm gonna be posting more videos in the future, and until then, rock on.